My favorite.
Kirby? Kirby!
Ay, sampit niya. Ay, sampit niya.
Hello?
Get everyone out of there, Sam. You're not safe. I heard from the Atlanta field office. They said Agent Reed's been on a downward spiral ever since the Woodsboro murders last year.
What are you talking about?
They fired Kirby 2 months ago for being mentally unstable. She's no longer with the FBI.
Sus, kontra dito.
Ang
Kontra dito ang buhay.
punta ng babae. Katulad ng safety na sa no?
Sorry, you can have them.
They go.
No, I mean, listen, if you want them, you have them.
You think I want these?
Yeah, kind of.
They're like 100 years old. Maybe that's your thing. I actually...
It's maybe Mira's the only one that wanted to do that.
Yeah, you should have done that a lot sooner.
I know.
But you could also do it like a lot more times.
Ada yang kontra no?
It's Kirby! He's the killer! Oh, shit!
Nah, dia lagi usah lagi dia.
She made this whole theater a toolbox. For us. Hey, what about that? There's an exit door. Maybe it leads to the roof or something?
There's only one way to find out. Let's go. Let's go.
Bailey's on the way, but...
Off the camera, motherfucker!
This way! Come on!
Bakit naman matabasan na lang tayo? Okay na ka?
Lain dia.
Datang di sini.
Ready? I need you to be ready. You ready? Look at me. Come on, motherfucker! It's okay! Stay the fuck back! We know it's you, Kirby. What if them knocked me out?
Kirby, stop! Get away from the girl!
What are you doing?
Did you kill Corinne? You kill my daughter?
Jesus Christ!
Great job.
Ano gede sih.
Both of you.
You?
Yeah, of course, me.
Siya gede.
Frankly, I expected more from the two of you after what you did to us.
What do you mean us?
Hindi ka mo bigay niya.
Ako
Ruthie
din
was
yung
right. It was easy to juke the roommate lottery. I mean, all I had to do to meet you was room with a conceited, condescending alpha, literally named Chad. Fuck, it felt good to kill him. This was your grandmother, Sam. Nancy Loomis. Really runs a fucking family, doesn't it? Speaking of family, wait for it. My name's not Ethan Landry. Is it?
Dad? Wait, if it's you two, that just leaves
Yung.
Mindy.
Dili.
Hey, Ruth.
You didn't see that one coming, did you?
Yeah, because you died.
Kind of didn't. So, that was a good way to get off the suspect list. Stab Gail Weathers, stab Lindsay on the train, that sort of thing.
Yep, and I just made sure I was first on the scene so I could switch your body out with a fresh one. A little fake blood, a prosthetic. You'd be amazed at what a grieving father can get away with.
I got two Walker's mess. It was my favorite.
Nice. That's number 3. That's 2. Which leaves your father's.
Isa na sila, Pip.
This is what we've been counting down to, Sam.
Ba, namatay mo yung ano mo?
I need you to put it on.
You stay the fuck away from her!
Come on.
What is this? You did this as a family?
Oh yeah, bitch, you should know better than anyone.
They're still not getting it.
Look, I don't know what you believe, but I didn't commit those murders in Woodsboro. It wasn't me.
Oh, we know that. Of course you did. What do you think this is based on? Some bullshit conspiracy theory? Come on. Who do you think started the rumors about you in the first place?
You know how easy it was to turn Sam from the hero of Woodsboro into the villain? How easy it is to convince the world to believe the worst in people rather than the best.
Because it's not enough to just kill someone these days. You have to assassinate their character first. So when Dad here discovers your horribly mutilated body, posed with Sam wearing your father's mask, he'll say some poor dumb bastard read on the internet that you're the real Ghostface and took matters into their own deluded hands.
Exactly. That's why it's a perfect alibi. And all the best lies are based on the truth. You're a killer. Just like your father.
No, I'm not. Yes, you are, you motherfucker. You killed our brother. What are you talking about? You said your brother died in a car accident.
No. You sweet dumb thing. He died in Woodsboro. At the hands of your bitch sister.
You're Richie's family.
Yeah.
They now she's finally starting to get it.
Now! It wasn't until I saw that photograph of what you'd actually done to him that I knew. That I knew you had to fucking die. You had to be punished. Along with anyone else who stands in our way.
There she is. There's the fucking killer.
Real great parenting job, by the way.
Shut your whore fucking mouth!
Have I been a perfect dad? No. Have I maybe overindulged Richie's love of these little movies? Yeah. Maybe. For me, they're just a little dark. But Richie really loved them. Loved them. He even made a few of his own. Did you know? Did you know?
So you guys are thinking that I didn't post the holiday special. Well, I tried to, okay? I really forgot. Did I?
There's a very special bond between a father and his first son.
Jangan
What,
dulu.
after you're done with us, what, you just disappear?
No, I've got to hurry over to the hospital, make sure Mindy and Gail don't pull through. Because everybody dies, Sam. Everyone who had anything to do with the death of my son suffers and dies.
Yeah, they do.
Put on the mask.
He was so pathetic.
That's not true.
Yeah, your son. He was a man baby who made his girlfriend do all the killing.
He was a strong, virile young man.
He was a limp dick little fuck who cried before he slit his throat.
Recognize this?
Ini po.
It's okay. I gotta need this. Fuck him up.
What are you gonna do about it, bitch?
Sam! I'll get help. Careful. It's okay. I can't grab on. I can't grab on.
I've always wanted to stick something in you, Tara.
Fuck you!
Fuck you! You guys are so fucked now!
Sam! Sam! Let me go. No!
Now let it go, Sam! Come on!
Trust me. Don't be go.
Gotcha!
Jangan buat
Hmm? Hindi ba? Bas yan.
Looks like you're down another brother. Always gotta shoot him in the head.